Guys, get ready, go to the right. Hop, king, swap hands, ping, hop. Behind, take your time. Hello, welcome back to Beginners Bachata course for couples. Michal and Anna, La Suerte Dance School. We are going to continue our moves for couples. We are going to teach you today how to do turns from guy point of view and how to combine them with what we learned already in previous classes. We'll show you also slightly different hand setup for girls' turns. Let's do them. The first thing we'll do is the turn from the guy's point of view. Guys, you will be turning inside. So we discussed this already last time when we were talking about turns for girls. What does it mean inside and outside? So if we had hand connected, the connection would go between the couple. Yeah, so we are turning inside, but our turn will work slightly different. We don't want to hold hand this time. We'll let it go. We'll start with turn to the left. So it will be happening on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I will release the left hand and turn to the left. Now, there are multiple options what to do with the right hand. Ideally, for now, you can just lift it up. The most important is to not use it as a weapon. So this is very, very wrong. If you lift it up, just lift it up. Okay, so it's high up. I'm turning to the left and Anna's right hand will surround my body. I leave it on my body. So I turn 1, 2, 3 and I know where to find this hand because it's constantly around my waist. Okay, so this is one of the elements that we want to learn today. Don't worry about touching your partner. That's completely normal, okay? So if the guy leaves the hand on his body, girls, you have to keep it there. We'll do this part fluently. 5, 6, 1 basic. 1, 2, 3. Guys, to the left. 6. Now hop. 1, 2, 3. Hop. And we finished with hands right to the right. So mine right and Anna's right as well. We have hooks made of our fingers. So we are not holding really. Anna has her fingers curved a bit and I do exactly the same. And in this setup, I start leading a turn for her to her left. Kyun, 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 boom. I'll put hand behind my back. The last part will be closing position with my right arm. She put her left on my shoulder. Now we are in position where her both arms are lying on my shoulders. So I open the left one. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Nice one. We'll do the same fluently. 5, starting from open position. 1, 2, 3. And guys, to the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and turn. 5, 6, 7, and open. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Nice. One more element that we didn't talk about yet is what is Anna doing when I turn around? Because obviously, she continues with her steps. This is thing number 1. And you open your arm as well, yeah? So it goes across her stomach. Go do it again. Across stomach, then all the way up, finishing close to her ear. Sorry, I'll rotate you to the camera. So one more time. Hand is going down from stomach, up. It reaches the top point. From here, the elbow starts bending, goes behind her hair, and then she's hiding the hand again on her shoulder because I'm going to turn her. So this is the hand position for the turn. How could I hide myself so you would see exactly what Anna is doing? I'll try to do it. Maybe this angle will be all right. 5, 6, 7, tiki. 1, 2, 3, get ready, hop. Let's go. I go first. 1, 2, 3, hop, and Anna goes. Then tiki. Then the left hand. Maybe I'll reverse camera now to the front so you see that as well. I go with my left hand around her elbow from the top and I press on it gently, open, and then I slide to the top of her palm and tick, tick, and we have close position. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So with this very simple combination, we are practicing turns from guy point of view, turns from girl point of view, and opening and closing position as well. Woohoo! Actually, we didn't practice opening position. So we'll do that as well. So we start from close position. Let's do it fluently. 5, 6, close position. 1, 2, 3. and we slide open hand, thing, and 1, then full basic, then guys to the left, hop, swap, hand, turn her, 5, 6, 7, open, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tiki. Nice one. We'll show this angle as well. 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, and open position. So we did slide open, and guys, you go to the left, 1, and turn her, 5, and open, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So we finish in close position. Easy peasy. Part number 2. We'll do exactly the same, opposite direction. So we'll slide open again, 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3. First, open position, 1, 2, 3. Now, guys, you will turn to the right, 1, 2, now, 5, 6, swap, stop. In here, we are left to the left. So opposite arms. We continue with the turn. From girl point of view, it's the right one. Nya, nya, nya. Boom, hand goes behind me. Other is free. With the next basic, we give the hands and we are ready to continue. And 5, 6, 7. Okay? Let's change the angle. 5, 6, 7. Get ready. 1, 2, hop. And slide open now. And guys to the right. And swap hands and turn her. Zoom. Close position, close position. 1, 2, 3. And one more time. Other angle. 1, 2, 3. And hop. Get ready. Slide open. Tiki. And 5, 6, 7. And guys to the right. Hop. 5, 6, 7. Hand. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Tiki. Fantastic. I think this angle is the best. You should see everything pretty clearly. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, we start with the first turn. So first we slide open, guys to the left. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, and girls. And 5, 6, 7. And open arms. Take your time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And open arms again. Hop. And guys go to the right. Hop. 5 and left to the left. Girls turn around. Hop. She's ready with her palm. I give mine. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Cuckoo. In general, when it comes to turns for guys, this is one of the options. Basically, what can't happen or what doesn't happen much is that you hold hands all the way through. The only option for the guy to not release the hand while turning is to keep it constantly up. So we would have 1, 2, 3, 5 and up, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. We do this very, very, very rarely, almost never. A lot more common would be to do this move with swapping the hand behind your back. 1, 2, 3. So I'll go to the left, 6 and swap, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. I can swap it twice, or I can swap it 3 times. It happens when I turn, and I'm using Anna's right hand for that action, and it's going from my left to my right to my left. That would be 2 swaps, or from my left to my right, to my left, and again to my right. It seems complicated. It's not very complicated. How you can practice it is to face your partner and start passing the hand behind your back. So you start feeling, without steps at the beginning, without the steps at the beginning. So you just get used to where is her hand and that you don't drop it. This is the key. Don't drop the hand. So what cannot happen is this. Yeah. This is confusing, this is complicated. Quite often you will not see your partner's hand while dancing. This is very common, yeah? So you have to feel where it is. Okay, so putting it all in action, I'll rotate to the left and I'll swap hands 3 times. Thanks to that, I will get the same position as in previous sequence. So we have 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, a left turn swap, hands, we go, I go. Right hand, right hand, prep, turn, 5, 6, 7, and open arm, tiki, and 5, 6, 7. You could say, Why do we have to do all this fuss? Like, why not to just leave it, turn around, you're done? Yeah, okay, this is easy version, but when we learn how to dance, quite often we are looking for things that are more exciting, more enjoyable, like just simply different. Sometimes it will happen that you will decide to complicate your life with no reason. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, take 1, guys, to the left, and 5, 3, swaps, and 1, 2, 3, prep, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. For practicing reasons, obviously we'll do the same opposite direction. 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, and slide, hands go. 1, turn to the right, and king, king, hop left to the left, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Another thing you have to remember is that when we do basic turns, we always do this prep, then turn. So even if you don't have much time, 1, 2, 3, prep still has to happen, You cannot just ignore it, yeah? So, bad example, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, I turn, I'm a bit lazy, didn't do prep and turn her. No, she's confused, she's, what's happening? But bachata, when it comes to leading, is pretty simple, but at the same precise dance. Once you are in the right time, in the right place, the lead is very, very clear. So that's what we are aiming. We'll do everything with music, or did I forget about something? No. Okay, music then. Let's start with basic to the side, close position, 5, 6, 7, tiki 1, 6, 7, and 1, and get ready, open position. We start with left turn for guys, hand on waist, up, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and open, 5, 6, 7, and 1 more time the same, slide open, guys left turn, hand up, right to the right, and turn her, and open, 6, 7, and 1, and we go opposite direction, slide open, right turn comes next, hop, guys you go, hands, left, drop, hop, and back, 6, 7, and 1, and 1 more time the same, slide open, 1, guys get ready, go to the right, hop, king, swap hands, ping, hop, behind, take your time, and now, second variation, we open, guys you're swapping hands 3 times, rotating to the left first, let's go, hop, and 1, 2, 3, 5, and 1, and the same opposite way, slide open, 5, 6, 7, and go to the right, hop, and king, hop, see I almost didn't swap hands, habits, 5, let's go front and back, 1, 5, 1, 5, slide open, 1, and 5, and front, and back, and front, and basic side, hop, and basic turn for girls. So we start with right turn, right hand up, guys, hop, and left turn, left hand up, guys, hop, 1 more time, left turn, close position, hop, 1, open position, and pizza box, right hand on your head, hop, king, close position, and now you can dance to the end of the song however you like. You remember when we did the basics, walking all different possible directions? Try the same. Walk around the room. Open and close position one for a while. Move front and back. Drop some turns. Ooh, Anna was sleeping a bit, but she caught up.
Y es que es tan lindo el amor. Y es que es tan lindo el amor.
I didn't lead that. Okay, very good. I always want you to practice a bit. That's why we are playing whole song at the end. So when you feel like you got what we are talking about, practice by yourself. Put some different music on. We're playing this song because we know Iroel and we know that we can use this song on YouTube when many other songs, especially bachata songs, are copyrighted on YouTube and we can't use it during our classes. However, I have very long Spotify playlist for bachata. So if you go to the description of this video, you can find there my Spotify. You can find bachata playlist and use songs from this playlist and practice with them. That's a very good idea. We'll come back with more bachata classes for beginners. So next week, probably there will be next class. If you would like to see that, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel. All links are in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.